A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shoaib Khan and welcome to MaxAfter.com's product tutorial. This product is called a dream sequence. As you can see, it is a kind of a dream sequence where the camera flies through the clouds, and the clouds have pictures in it with text and flourishes coming out of it, along with the butterflies and all that, quite exciting project. Well, this tutorial is a brief overview about this product, how to change the pictures and the text. So please be sure to check out preview video in the preview section of this product so that you know what is going on in here. Let's start with the project panel here. As you can see, it's a 1920 by 1080 full HD. It's got these folders here, mainly these two folders called replace. One is called replace image here and replace text here. So you can change your images and text here. You don't have to do anything else. You just open these and locate your pictures and locate your text, and then you can just change them in here. So let's first start with this, and if you want to change the text here, which is your text 01, so for that what you do is, now we know that the name of the text is text 01, so we go to the folder here which is called replace text here. So we go in here and we locate our text 01 here. So you double click on it and here is our text. Let's say you want to change your text to anything that you like. Alright, MaxAfter motion. And now if we go back to our final, you'll see that the text has been changed. So this is how simple it is. So in this way you can change the text for the rest of the elements. So the next thing is we go to the pictures. For example, let's suppose this is the picture. This is the first picture that comes in. We close this one here and we open the folder that says replace images here. We open it and we go and double click the first one, since it's our first picture that appears. It's only one picture here, so just go in here and open your images folder, import your images, whatever the images you have, and what you need to do basically just put in this layer here, and you just turn this off, or you can also delete it if you like. And when you go back to the final, you'll see that the image has been changed. In the same way you can change the text here. For example, it's your text 04 here. So again, you just close this one and go to replace text here. In the same way, the text is 04 here, so you just double click in here and just change it here and write anything you like and change the description if you like. And if you go back to final, you'll see that the text has been changed here. So in a similar way you can change all the text and the pictures just by going through these two folders. That's how simple it is. And also the other thing is the elements that come with this project. If you go to the pre-comps, and you'll see a folder here called elements flourishes. So if you open this, we've got 4 different kinds of flourishes here. If you click number 1, then we've got cool flourish here. That's all animated, and you can also change it if you like. So it's all here animated for you. You can also change it and you can also use it in other projects as well. So these are like 4 of them, fully animated. So it's unlike the pre-rendered versions that you can't amend. In this, you just can simply amend them as well. Just turn off the layers, and you can do whatever you like with them. And also you can export them and make new flourishes of your own. And this is another one. Here's another one. So altogether we've got like 6 of them, and of course you can make many more out of these 6. So this is also that bonus element that comes with it, and also then there's a butterfly comp in here that you can use as well if you like. Also this comes with the images. It's got like full HD images with 5 images, and then these rays I created in 3D Studio Max. And this can also be used in different projects. They come with alpha channel. And also I've added the sound, so this project comes with the sound as well. So now if you go back to our final, you'll see that we've got 3 main comps basically here, which is in here main comps, main 1, 2 and 3. So basically these 3 here in the final comp. So this project can be used in many different ways. You can change pictures, you can change the background, you can use these cloud elements, Also, you can also extend the timeline of this project by just duplicating these images, which are here. For example, this is image 1, and use Control D, and this is the new image. So in this image you can go inside and change the text, and then finally you can just simply drag that into your final timeline, and then in this way you can just extend your project. So I've tried to keep this project as simple as possible so that anyone with a little knowledge of After Effects can use this project. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, my name is Shoaib Khan from MaxAfter.com. Assalamu alaikum.